Week 7 Overview. Community standards versus individual rights and rules. Regulations and policies versus individual needs and concerns. This week, we will look at two sets of paradoxes. First, in Chapter 7, we will look at community standards versus individual rights. Then, in Chapter 10, we will look at rules, regulations, and policy versus individual needs and concerns. What does it take to balance community standards with individual rights? In Chapter 7, our authors acknowledge that the territory between one's rights and the community standards in school is a space filled with negotiation, judgment, and dilemmas for students, teachers, and administrators. And they present 6 cases for your consideration. A similar paradox in Chapter 10 addresses the tension between rules, regulations, and policy and individual needs and concerns, specifically in the context of the student teaching experience. The vignettes demonstrate the conflict between the theoretical ideal behind regulatory practice and the reality of the practice teaching experience. You will have 2 separate discussion boards addressing each of the 2 paradoxes addressed in the readings this week. For each, choose 1 case study. Your initial posts should address the questions at the end of each chosen case study.